Word 2016. Awesome tables. Tech Talk. In this chapter, we will learn about creating a table, drawing a table, entering data in a table, moving a table, resizing a table, modifying a table, formatting a table, inserting picture in a table. Well-organized data and information is much easier to read and understand than unorganized data and information. A table helps us to present data in an organized way. A table is a structure with many rectangular boxes called cells, aligned horizontally and vertically. Vertically arranged cells are called columns, while horizontally arranged cells are called rows. Each cell of a table can be formatted as per our requirement and can contain any text or graphics. The table below shows the attendance record for 5 students over a week. Creating a table. To create a table in a Word document, the steps are as follows. Step 1. Open a blank Word document. Step 2. Place the cursor where we want to insert the table. Step 3. Click the table option in the Tables group on the Insert tab. A grid will appear. When we hover the mouse over the grid cells, it shows a preview of the table that will appear in the document. Step 4. Click the square representing the lower right corner of the table, which will create an actual table in the document. Or Step 1. Click the Insert tab and in the Tables group, click the Table option. Step 2. In the drop-down menu, click the Insert Table option. An Insert Table dialog box will appear. Step 3. Enter the number of rows and columns we want to insert in the table. Step 4. Click the OK button. A table of required rows and columns will be created. Or Step 1. Click the Insert tab and in the Tables group, click the Table option. Step 2. In the drop-down menu, click the Quick Tables option. Some table templates will appear. Step 3. Select the table template as per the need. The table template will appear at the required place in the Word document. Drawing a table. To draw a table, the steps are as follows. Step 1. Click the Insert tab and in the Tables group, click the Table option. Step 2. In the drop-down menu, click the Draw Table option. The cursor will turn into a pencil. Step 3. Hold and drag the mouse at the place where we want to draw the table. Step 4. Draw the required number of rows and columns. A table is drawn and we can add the text in it accordingly. Entering data in a table. The steps to enter data in a table are as follows. Step 1. Bring the pointer in a table cell and type text in it. Step 2. To move to the adjoining cell, either press the Tab key or right arrow key. To move to the previous cell, either press the Shift plus Tab key or left arrow key. The up or down arrow keys move the cursor to the cells above or below the current cell. Moving a table. Word 2016 allows us to move a table from one location to another along with its content. Now, we will learn how to move a table within the same document, though we can move a table from one document to another document also, using cut and paste operations. The steps to move a table within the same Word document are as follows. Step 1. Move the mouse pointer over the table which we want to move from one location to another location. When the mouse pointer is inside the table, a 4-headed arrow inside a square called the Table Move handle will appear at its top left corner. Step 2. Click over the Table Move handle which will select the whole table. Step 3. Once table is selected, use the Cut option or simply press Ctrl plus X keys to cut the table from its original location. Step 4. bring the cursor at the location where we want to move the table and use the paste option, or simply press Ctrl+V keys to paste the table at the desired location. Resizing a table. Word 2016 allows us to resize a table to make it smaller and bigger as per our requirement. The steps to resize a table are as follows. Step 1. Move the mouse pointer over the table which we want to resize. When the mouse pointer is inside the table, a small hollow square called the table resize handle will appear at the bottom right corner of the table. Step 2. Move the mouse cursor over the table resize handle. It will change into a diagonal double-sided arrow. Step 3. Press and hold left mouse button. Drag the table to make it shorter or longer. We can also drag the table diagonally to simultaneously change both the width and height of the table. Modifying a table. We can modify a table by adding a row or a column anywhere in the table, deleting a row or a column, splitting and merging cells in a table. Let us learn about these. Adding a row. The steps to add rows in a table of a Word document are as follows. Step 1. Click the row where we want to add a new row. Under the Table Tools tab, Design and Layout tabs will appear. Now, click the Layout tab. Step 2. Now use Rows and Columns group to add any row below or above the selected row. Step 3. Click the Insert Below option if we want to add a row just below the selected row, and click the Insert Above option if we want to add a row just above the selected row. Deleting a row. The steps to delete rows from a table of a Word document are as follows. Step 1. Select the row which we want to delete from the table and then click the Layout tab. Step 2. Click the Delete option in the Rows and Columns group. Click the Delete Rows option in the Delete menu to delete the selected row. Adding a column. The steps to add a column in a table of a Word document are as follows. Step 1. Click the column where we want to add an additional column and then click the Layout tab. Step 2. Now use Rows and Columns group to add any column left or right to the selected column. Step 3. Click the Insert Left option if we want to add a column just left to the selected column, or click the Insert Right option if we want to add a column just right to the selected column. The column will get inserted. Deleting a column. The steps to delete a column from a table of a Word document are as follows. Step 1. Select the column which we want to delete from the table and then click the Layout tab. Step 2. Click the Delete Columns option under the Delete option in the Rows and Columns group to delete the selected column. Splitting the cells. Splitting a cell means dividing the selected cell into multiple separate cells. The steps to split a cell in a Word document are as follows. Step 1. Select the cells that we want to split. Step 2. Click the Layout tab and then click the Split Cells option in the Merge group. Step 3. The Split Cells dialog box will appear. Specify the number of rows and columns in the respective boxes into which we want to split the selected cell. Step 4. Click OK button. The selected cells get splitted. Merging the cells. Word 2016 allows us to merge two or more cells to create one big cell. We can merge cells either row-wise or column-wise, but cannot merge cells diagonally. Let us learn how to merge multiple rows or columns. The steps to merge table cells in a Word document are as follows. Step 1. Select the cells that we want to merge. Step 2. Now click the Layout tab and then click the Merge Cells option in the Merge group. The selected cells get merged into a single cell. Table heading. To provide a table heading, merge the cells in the first row. Now we can use this cell to write the title or description of the table. In case the first row of cells has some data with it, the data will get scrambled on merging. We can format the title as per our requirement using the Home tab. Splitting a table. Sometimes there is a situation when we would like to split an existing table into two or more tables. Word 2016 allows splitting a table into multiple tables. Let us learn how to split a table into two smaller tables. The steps to split a table into two tables in a Word document are as follows. Step 1. Bring the mouse cursor anywhere in the row that should appear as the first row of the new table. Step 2. Now click the Layout tab. Step 3. Then click the Split Table option in the Merge group, which will split the table into two tables, and selected row will become the first row of the lower table. Formatting a table. Changing the appearance of text is called formatting. We can format the entire table using the Table Styles group in the Design tab. Applying the style. The steps to apply styles to table are as follows. Step 1. Click anywhere in the table. Step 2. Click the Design tab under the Table Tools tab. Step 3. Then click the desired style in the Table Styles group. When we hover the mouse pointer over a style, the table displays the style. This will help to decide a good style for the table. Step 4. Click the drop-down arrow button to see more styles for the table. Changing the row height. The steps to change the row height are as follows. Step 1. Select the rows whose height we want to change. Step 2. Click the Layout tab under the Table Tools tab. Step 3. Then go to the Height option in the Cell Size group. Step 4. Now use the upper and lower scroll box to change the height of rows. We can also fill the height in numbers in the Height option. Changing the column width. The steps to change the column width are as follows. Step 1. Select the columns whose width we want to change. Step 2. Click the Layout tab under the Table Tools tab. Step 3. Then go to the Width option in the Cell Size group. Step 4. Now use the upper and lower scroll box to change the width of columns. We can also fill the width in numbers in the Width option. Changing the alignment. The steps to change the text alignment within table cells are as follows. Step 1. Select the cells whose alignment we want to change. Step 2. Click the Layout tab under the Table Tools tab. Step 3. Then go to the Alignment group. Step 4. Now click the alignment we want to apply on the text. The text will get aligned as per our selection. Inserting picture in a table. The steps to insert picture in a table are as follows. Step 1. Click the cell where we want to insert a picture. Step 2. Click the Insert tab. Step 3. In the Illustrations group, select Online Pictures option. Step 4. The Insert Pictures dialog box appears. Enter the search term in the Bing Image Search text box and click the Search button. Select the picture. Step 5. Click Insert button and the selected picture will get inserted in the table cell. We can resize it by dragging the corner or size handles. We can also insert picture in a table from the computer using the Pictures option in the Illustrations group.